Had a shop send me 25 screens to refurbish. Check this out. All the glass is off of all of them. These are everything except for the 13 Pro Max, and the 13 Pro Max are over here, and there's 9 of them. So we've got the glass ready to go for the 13 Pro Max. I've got them laid out here. Getting my lamination machine ready and hot. So the next step is cleaning these 13 Pro Max, which I've shown before on here. We're going to clean it with just some alcohol and the spinning tool, which is charging right now because I'm going to be using it all day. And then we need our mold for the 13 Pro Max and our frame, which I have over here somewhere. We'll find it. Anyway, get started. I'll be busy all day long. 25 screens. Got the glass off of all of them, which only took about hour and a half to take it off of all of them, because the glass comes off fairly quickly if you know what you're doing on these. And on all of them, the touch is still good. We've tested all of them, and the OLED is still good. We've had no casualties. So I can update when I'm done. These are going out to Georgia to a shop owner there. So if you need this done for your shop, or you need to send in just a screen or a tire phone, we can do that. And we change just the top glass, which is all that's needed on a lot of these. If your OLED is broken all the way, you probably should go to a local shop maybe, which we're still more affordable. You're welcome to mail it to us, but mainly we refurbish. That way you keep your original screen, no screen message, and very affordable. We do these wholesale really affordably to the shops. Just send me a message for some pricing. If you're a consumer and you want to send us your phone, we do 12 through 15 Pro Max, the front glass only. We also do iPad, front glass only, and I'm working on offering Samsung. I don't have it down yet, but we are going to offer it sometime this year, more than likely. But this is it. This is what a screen looks like when it doesn't have the glass on there and before it's cleaned. So if you send us a phone, 12 through 14 Pro Max, a full phone, we do it for $100. And we change the front glass. That includes priority shipping back to you, and a 90-day warranty against any kind of separation on the screen. Doesn't cover if you re-break it, but if there's any kind of separation on the display, like around the edges or anything like that, we would cover it for free. You just have to send it back to us. But it rarely happens. Generally, these are all OEM. So, and the process we do, we use a cold press glue, same as Apple. So it turns out like a finished product, like you would never know it's been repaired, and no screen message.